Hello students, as we have done with the revision of second chapter, now let's do the revision of chapter 1 in which starting topic is addition of two rational numbers. What rules you have to follow while addition of two rational number? It is the combination of addition of fraction, whatever rules you are following for addition of fraction, including the rules of addition of integers. Let's see how. For this first part, see. You can see both the rational number is having the same denominator. So when we are having the same denominator, then we can take denominator as common, like you are doing in the fractions. Common denominator is 7. Now what will be the numerator? 3 plus minus 5. So by taking 7 as the common denominator, we have used the rules of addition of fractions. And now see in the numerator what we are having. We are having 3 plus minus 5. Means it is the addition of two integers. So what you have to follow? 3 plus minus 5 will give you how much? Minus 2 upon 7, because 5 is greater than 3. So you have to subtract, because both are having a different sign. You will subtract and the sign of the bigger numerical value, that is 5. So minus 2 by 7 is your answer. Now, see the second part. If you are not having the same denominator, then what you will do? So same, what you are following that time when you are doing with the addition of fraction. You are finding the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 will give you how much? 15, right? So, 2 by 3 plus minus 1 upon 5 will give you how much? LCM is now 15. Right? And into what we need to multiply? See, 3 5s is 15. So we need to multiply here 5. We have to check how to make denominator as 15 by multiplying in 3 5. So we need to multiply in numerator also 5. Fine. For next term we are having minus 1 multiplied by what number? 5 3s is 15. So we have to multiply by 3. So you are getting 5 2s are 10 plus minus 3 upon 15. 10 plus minus 3 will give you how much? Use the rules of integers. 10 plus minus 3 is 7 upon 15. And this will be your answer. Okay. Now see, in the third part, see, 11 upon minus 7 plus 8 2 by 3. So, whenever we are having a rational number in which negative sign is in the denominator, so first we have to move the sign in the numerator, right? So, 11 upon minus 7 plus 8 2 by 3 will be equal to minus 11 upon 7. How we will get minus 11 by 7? By multiplying minus 1 in numerator and denominator both. So, in denominator, two negative sign will be there, so it will become positive, and in numerator, only one sign is there, so it will go for negative. So, you will get minus 11 upon 7 plus 3 8s is 24 plus 2 26 upon 3. Now again, denominators are different, so we will go for the LCM, and LCM of 7 and 3 will give you how much? 21, right? So, minus 11 multiplied by 7 3s is 21, so we need to multiply it by 3 plus 3 7s is 21, so in 26 we have to multiply 7. So what you will get? Minus 33 plus 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 2 are 14 plus 4 is 18, 182 upon 21. Now you have to see, minus 33 plus 182 will give you how much? You have to subtract 12 minus 3, 9, 7 minus 3, 4 and 1 with positive sign upon 21. It can't be cancelled down, but the answer is in improper. So we'll write the answer in mixed. So you'll get 149 upon 21 is equal to 7 and 2 will be left upon 21. 7 2 by 21. Okay. Now see the next question. Verify commutative property of addition. Commutative property means changing the position only. Right? A plus B is equal to B plus A. So we are having two terms. So we have to show. What verification we have to do? Means we have to show. We need to show that minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. This we have to show. See the left hand side. Make a line on both the sides. What is LHS? We are having minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 7. Right? So we can see the denominators are different. So LCM will go for 7 and 3. 7 3 is 21 is the LCM. So what we need to do in the numerator, minus 4 multiplied by what? 3 7 is 21. So 7 we need to multiply plus 3 multiplied by 7 3 is 21. So we need to multiply here 3. So we get minus 7 4 is 28 plus 9 upon 21, which will be equal to minus 28 minus 9 will give you how much? 19 upon 21 with minus sign. Right? In right hand side, see what is our right hand side? This means we have to show 3 by 7 plus minus 4 by 3. We have to first find the value first. Again LCM will go for 21. 3 multiplied by 3 because 7 3 is 21 plus minus 4 multiplied by 3 7 is 21. So we have to multiply here 7. So we got 9 plus minus 28 upon 21, which is again equal to how much? Minus 19 upon 21. You can see here also we are getting minus 19 upon 21. Here also minus 19 upon 21. Hence, we got LHS is equal to RHS. So it is verified. In this way we have to do verification every time. Okay. Now see the third question. Using appropriate properties of addition, we have to solve this. 4 upon 5 plus 11 upon 7 plus minus 7 upon 5 plus minus 2 by 7. We know that 4 terms rational number we are having, so directly we can go for the LCM and we can turn up the numerators accordingly and we can add. Directly we can do. But the question is saying that you have to use the appropriate property. Why we are having the properties? Like we are having the properties of commutative property we are having, then associative properties we are having distributive properties. So these properties are basically for our for using it to make our questions to solve in a easy way. Okay, so you can see here that we are having 5 and 5 as a denominator here. So we can take these two terms together and these two terms together. So we have to switch these two terms, right? So you will do 4 by 5 plus minus 7 upon 5 plus 11 upon 7 plus minus 2 by 7. So what we have done, we have switched these two places. And switching in the places is what we have used? We have used commutative property. Right? And now we are having 4 terms. So we have also used the brackets. First we will solve these two and we will solve these two. When we have put it the bracket, that means we have also used the associative, because choosing the terms is our associative property. We have choose that first we will solve these two terms and we will solve these two terms. So we have used commutative and associative property both here. So now we are having the denominator as 5, taken as 5 common, 4 plus minus 7. And here 7, and in the numerator we are having as 11 plus minus 2. So it will go for minus 3 upon 5 plus 11 minus 2 is how much? 9 by 7. Now we are having two different denominators. So we will take the LCM. 7 5 is 35 will be the LCM. Minus 3 multiplied by 7 and 9 is multiplied by 5. Because 5 7 is 35, so we have multiplied 7 here, and 7 5 is 35, so we have multiplied here 5. So what we are getting here? 7 3 is 21 plus 9 5 is 45 upon 35. When you will solve this, 45 minus 21 will give you how much? 5 minus 1 4 and 4 minus 2 2 upon 35. And this will be your answer. Yes. Now to the next question. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x. Verify means we have to show that LHS and RHS are equal. Fine. And the value for x is given, in first case it is given 10 upon 30. So we have to show, we have to verify that. So LHS is equal to, what LHS is given? LHS is equal to minus of minus x. Right? So put the value. What is the value of x here? 10 upon 13. So minus of minus 10 upon 13. Right? So minus into minus will give you how much? Plus. So 10 upon 13 is your LHS now. Right? Now what is RHS? RHS is x. So RHS is equal to x. And what is the value of x? X is 10 upon 13. So we can see that LHS and RHS both are coming same. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verify. We have done verification. Same in this case, second part. Same here also we have to show that if value of x is how much? Minus 15 upon 17. This is x is equal to. X is equal to minus 15 upon 17. Then also this condition will hold true. Show it. You can show in both the sides like LHS is equal to minus of minus x and RHS is equal to x according to the question whatever we are having. This is our LHS, so I have written here LHS. This is our RHS, so I have written here RHS. Now put the value of x. What is the value of x? Minus of minus, but this is again minus. So again minus of 15 upon 17 and bracket close. So you will get minus minus minus. 3 times when negative is multiplied, so your answer will be with negative sign. Follow the rules of integers for multiplication. 3 negative terms are multiplied, minus into minus into minus will give you again minus. So your answer is minus 15 upon 17, and here RHS is x, and what is the value of x? X is minus 15 upon 17. So you have seen that LHS is also minus 15 upon 17 and RHS is also minus 15 upon 17. Hence we have shown that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Hence verify. In verification only we have to show that left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Okay. Now see the fifth question. Subtract minus 4 by 9 from 3 5 by 8. From is there, means subtraction we have to do and we have to subtract this rational number from this, means from this we have to subtract. So second term will come first. 3 5 by 8 minus 4 by 9, right? So it is in mix. So first we will turn this into improper. 3 8 is 24 plus 5 29 upon 8 minus into minus will go for plus 4 by 9, right? For LCM for 8 and 9, 8 9 is 72 will go for the LCM. Then 29 multiplied by, what we need to multiply? 9. because 8 9 is 72 plus 4 into. Now what we have to multiply? 9 8 is 72, so 8 we have to multiply. So we'll get 29 into 9 will give you 1 and 26 plus 8 4 is 32 upon 72. This will be equal to 392 upon 72, which is improper, and we have to turn up this into mixed fraction. So your answer will be 4 5 by 72. Okay. Yes. Now see the next question. Sum of two rational number is 3 upon 5. If one of them is minus 2 by 7, find the other. So you are having the value of sum. Sum of two rational numbers is given, means we are having the value of sum. Sum of two rational number is given how much? 3 upon 5, right? And one number is given minus 2 by 7. We need to find the other. So other number will be equal to, always when we are having the sum and one number and other number has been asking, so always from the sum we have to subtract the one number, right? So subtract it. 3 upon 5 minus minus will go for plus 2 by 7, and this will be equal to, LCM will go for 35, and 3 multiplied by 5 7 is 35, so 7 we need to multiply, plus 2 into 7 5 is 35, so 5 we need to multiply. That is again equal to 7 3 is 21 plus 10 upon 35, which is equal to 31 upon 35. Okay. Now, see the second question. What rational number should be subtracted from minus 4 3 by 5 to get minus 3 1 upon 2? So, how you will do? Again, as usual, suppose let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Then from this we have to subtract, right? So from minus 4 3 by 5 we subtract x to get the answer as minus 3 1 upon 2, right? So this will be equal to, this number will move that side, so it will be with the positive sign. So minus x is equal to minus 3 1 upon 2 plus 4 3 by 5. So again solve it. Minus x is equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 plus 5 4 is 20 plus 3 23 by 5. So what we are getting, LCM as 10 and minus 7 multiplied by 5 plus 23. What we need to multiply? 2, right? So we are having this much, which implies minus x is equal to 7 5 is 35 plus 23 into 2 46 upon 10, which implies that minus x is equal to You will get minus 35 plus 46 will give you how much? Plus 11 upon 10. But this is the value of minus x. But we need the value for x. So x will be equal to minus 11 upon 10. In the mixed fraction if we write, so x is equal to minus 1 upon 10. Okay? Yes, now see the next question. If x is equal to minus 4 by 7 and y is equal to 2 upon 5, then verify that x minus y is not equal to y minus x. As we have studied in the properties also, commutative property does not hold true in case of subtraction. So we have to verify this. So again here LHS is x minus y and RHS is y minus x, right? Put the value. What is x? Minus 4 by 7. And what is y? 2 upon 5. So we have to take the LCM. 7 5s is 35 is the LCM. And in the numerator we get minus 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 7. So we got minus 20 minus 14 upon 35. So both are negative, so 20 and 34, minus 34 upon 35. In the right hand side see y minus x, so what is y? Y is 2 upon 5 minus. What is x? X is minus 4 upon 7, which will give you 2 upon 5, minus minus will go for plus upon 4 by 7. LCM is again 35. In numerator 2 into 7 and 4 into 5. You will get again 7 to the 14 plus 5 to 4 5 are 20 upon 35. So here you got 34 upon 35 and here you got minus 34 upon 35. And we got LHS is not equal to RHS, hence verified. This only we have to do the verification for. And that's it, we have done revision for exercise first and second of your first chapter. So do practice it well.